This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good evening. So, how was your experience with the practical things? So, share your experience. Use your chart area. Where did you face the problem, and where you have seen that much more complexity in the creation of website? So, am I audible? So, please check your WhatsApp. I've sent some of the questions with answers. Can I get the answer for each one of the question? Please, everyone, try to open the link. So those who have practiced, they can answer for this question. So I've listed around 18 to 20 questions. What is Google site primarily used for? There is four option. So you tell me that what is the main primarily, what is the purpose we are going to use. And second question it says which of the following is the key feature for Google site, which I give four answer. And the third one, Google site allow you to add which of the following elements in your site. So there are four options which I have given. So see to that what is the correct answer, you tell me that. So you write just like this, 1 space a. If that answer is a, you type a. If that b, you write b. C, d. So like that you type. So first you type your uh, name, then write all answers. Doesn't matter if that incorrect answer also, no problem. I will give you the right answers. Just it is only for evaluation purpose. Okay, so first one, I will tell you the answer. What is the Google site primarily used for? Number one, email management, website creation and hosting, storage, video conferencing. So among this, the answer is the B, website creation and hosting. Then second question, it says, which of the following is the key features for the Google site? So I gave four option. So coding with the HTML requirement, then drag and drop editor, then high subscription fees, then integration with MS Office. But which is the correct answer? Drag and drop editor. I think whatever you have seen the features of this Google site. And Google site allow you to add which of the following element in your site. Number one, text, images, embedded videos, and fourth one is all of this above. The answer is all of this above. Then next, fourth question is saying that what is the maximum number of pages can be created in a single Google site website? So the answer, but see the question, 10, 50, 200 and unlimited. But what will be the answer? Maximum number of pages can be created in Google site. Have you ever tried that? So you created only few to 3 to 4 pages, it seems. So the am I correct? But the real time answer is Google site allow you to create maximum number of pages will be 200. Okay, so 200 maximum number of pages can be created. And Google site integrates seamlessly which of the following Google services? Number one, Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Calendar, and all of the above. So all of the above is the answer. And which of the following is not a valid Google site templates? So which I gave four option: personal, business, portfolio, and financial planning. Personal is going to be applicable. Template you have Google site template. Businesses you have, portfolio you have. Okay, when you see the template in the right hand side, so just for the practical, I will take you what is there in that. So just you type here sites.google.com. So this is the one which I created in the last time, Kaustuba. So here you have a page. So in this case, we can create maximum 200 pages. Okay, so we created only 3 pages in the last time, but still you can create different pages. 200 pages you can create. When you click for the last one, the themes, and could you see this? Simple you have, then Aristotle, Diplomat, then Vision, Level. So these are the templates. So these templates belongs to that particular question. Which of the following is not a valid Google site template? You have personal, business, and portfolio, but all three which are going to be applicable, but it is not, that is financial planning. So financial planning is not a valid Google site template. Okay, then next you have a, can you track the visitor and their activity on the Google site website? So the answer is means the four option, yes. We can, using the Google Analytics, we can track the activities of the visitors. And again, the second option B, tracking is not available. And third one is saying that yes, but using the built-in reports. And fourth one, so only for paid accounts is saying. But could you tell me what will be the answer if I wanted to track the number of visitors when it is integrated with your Google Analytics? Okay, so when you open up this, so go to here, when you're publishing the option, 1 minute, take the settings, there is an analytics. In this analytics, enable your analytics. So enter the Google Analytic tracking or measurement ID. Okay, if you wanted to have, first you have to link with the domain, then only it's possible. Okay, so connect your website to your Google Analytics account. Then only you can see that insight and also the metric of the use, the visitors, where we can track. Okay, if I wanted to track the number of visitors of the of your website, then make ensure what you have to be linked. Okay, so your analytic account must be linked to your website. So when it is linked for your website, then only we can measure that tracks. Okay, that is the question what I was given. Okay, and there is one more question we have, which permission settings allows only for a specific people to view your Google site? Can we able to set the permission like that? Yes, we can set that, but check the answer, four options. Number one, public on web, and second thing is anyone with the link, and specific people, and anyone in your organization. So among this, so specific people also can see. So whatever permission you are giving for the particular specified users, they can only view your website. If you're not, if it is too private, so you can share the link only for the specific people, they can able to view. But if you're not publish, then publish until and unless if you are not publishing, then restricted people can able to view, can able to see that contents of the web page. So the answer is specific users. Okay, which permission, sorry, which of the permission settings allow you to set the specific people to view your website? So in the Google site, so that is specific people. How can I do that? Okay, for a specific people, very simple. When you are publishing here, so go to the publishing settings. Okay, so make ensure, okay, so go to, not this, so go to sharing the, so here you can put your mail id. Okay, so just it is an example. I'm going to take this one. Okay, so how you will be delegating this person to publish that published viewer or editor. If you say editor, he can customize the things how I have done in the before. Okay, if you don't want to perform that things, just you simply you click this as viewer mode and send it. So the link will be copied and which will be displaying automatically from his inbox. So in this way we can share the link. So please remember, so we can set the permission for a specific people to view the Google site. Okay, and in real time also, if you have done the same thing, it has to be happen. And one more questions we have in the ninth one: what is the default URL format for the Google website? So what is the default format? Have you seen the default format? So first it takes www.sites.google.com/view and name of your website. So how can I get the default name for that default URL? So when you go for publish settings, and this is the default area, this is the default, and next to that your name of website. Clear? HTTP sites.google.com/view slash whatever name you are creating, that names appeared on this area. So that was the question, which are what is the default URL format of your Google website? So they have given four options. See to that what is the answer. The answer is A. And to embed a Google form into your Google site, which features do you use? So number one, add text box, then add images, and the third one is insert, then forms, then insert drive. The answer is C1. So how do you insert that Google form? The practically last class I've shown you. So go to the Google, sorry, insert area, insert. When you scroll down, there is an option for forms. Okay, so for your understanding, I'm going to take the page is called contact pages. So scroll down. So now I wanted to delete this. If I don't want, then what I will do, I will select the block and directly deleting this. So now it's completely deleted. Again, if I wanted to insert that same, so go to insert area, then scroll down in the bottom of the page and click the form. So when you click the form, which will ask you what is the list of forms which are available here. Okay, I created so many things, and which forms you are going to be linking and embedding. So just you select this and click insert, then automatically which will bring you into the web page. So just click and drag as you required and leave it finally. So that's all. Then little bit adjust it, leave off, and see what happens. Now it is connected. So this is the question which is asked in this maybe in the 10th one it might be. Okay, next one: can you able to publish the Google site without making it searchable on the web? So the answer is yes, and the B answer is no. So can we able to do that? So we can publish your Google site without making it searchable on the web. So using the URL. Okay, we can publish our Google site without making it searchable on the web. Say yes. Okay, next, which of the following is not a layout option in the Google site. So number one column, two column, three column, four column. So what will be the answer here? How many columns will be having? So four columns is not the layout option in the Google site. Clear? That is the 12th question. And 13th question, it says which of the following you to duplicate the page within your Google site. So how we can copy or how we can make the duplicate page? So someone will ask you, sir, I wanted to create the same page here. Okay, if I wanted to create the same page, so just you click on this and there is an option called as duplicate page. So if I select this, then see what is happening. So I will be clicking with the same default name and see what happened. The same content, same page is created again. Okay, if I can able to go for duplicate the pages, and even you can rename it. Okay, so how can I rename? So select and see the properties and change it. Okay, so I'll be saying that courses. So press enter key. So now the separate page is created. Okay, again if you wanted to create, okay, so what I will be doing, click new page, and here you take uh, digital marketing courses. So press enter key. Now this is created. Again inside this, again I wanted to create, so I'll be taking social media marketing. So press enter key. Next again create one more, social, sorry, mm, search engine marketing. So press enter key. So next you take web development. So like this you create. But now which one has to come first? So Google digital marketing has to come first. But whatever I've written here, so like web development and search engine marketing and social marketing, social media marketing, everything has to come under the main page called as digital marketing. So then how do I get into this? Very simple, just click and drag in this page itself. See what happened? That is come to the particular area. Again just you click and drag into this digital marketing course. Again click and drag into the digital marketing course. Now all three pages comes under digital marketing course. Now digital marketing course has to come under courses. So again click and drag, see what happened. So now if I click here, see what is the changes you can see. Courses, digital marketing course, in that web development, search engine marketing, social media marketing, like this you can classify those things. Is that able to understand? Again if you wanted to create one more course like this, uh, what I'm saying that hardware and networking. So click OK. So hardware and networking comes under courses. Again take one more pages here. So CommSia A plus. So press enter key and again take one more here, CommSia N plus. Click OK and again take one more new page, CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associates. So click done. Again you take one more ethical hacking. So press enter key. Now all this has to come under hardware and networking. So take this under hardware and networking, just drag and drop. So look at this. Now if you click this area, can you able to see the courses now? How many courses I created here? One is hardware and networking and digital marketing course. So again if I click hardware and networking, and again your sub classifications you have. Okay, next again if you close that, again you go to the digital marketing, and again you will be getting the list of content. Okay, now I wanted to have a real time experience, then what you have to do? So click the publish button, and publish this. Then how can I view this? Go to review the, sorry, view published site, and you click for the pages. Comshare A plus. I have not done anything. So afterwards we can add the content. Again you go for social media marketing. So click on this. Again inside that social media marketing, again you can create separate pages. Is that okay? Is that understood how you can create multiple pages? So like this, maximum how much pages can be created in the Google site? 200. Okay, next, which of the following, okay, that is copy option is over. Okay, which of the option allow you to the page within the Google site? Is it copy page, or is that duplicate, or is that clone, or is that mirror? So the option you have seen now, duplicate. Okay, can you collaborate with other in the real time while creating the Google site? So the answer is saying that yes, through the Google Workspace you can have a collaboration tools. The option B, collaboration is not going to supported, and option C, yes, but only one person at the time. Answer D, yes, but only on mobile devices. Could you tell me the answer, which is that? So yes, we can collaborate in the real time. Collaboration is going to be happen in the real time while creating the Google site. Answer is A. So saying that Google Workspace collaboration tools. Okay. And which of the following file types can be directly embedded into the HTML into the Google site? So they have given some different option: PDF, Word document, Excel, spreadsheet, all of the above. So have you seen what was that? 1 minute. In the creation of this area, what are the files where we can import it here? See this. So one is images, and directly you can take this drive. So Google Drive supports for PDF, JPG, okay, and whatever you have. So that and all can be bring into your website. Is that clear? And sir, someone will ask you, sir, I wanted to create one button, call to action button in the website. So how I can create? So there is an option called as button itself in the inside area. So click on this, and you put what I can say, call now. So link to the page. For example, contact us. So click insert. Now the page button is created. Could you see this? And you move up where you want it to be added, just drag it. Let's see, it's not moved. Okay, you move from wherever you want. Take again call now, contact us. In this way you can link the pages from one to one. Could you able to see here? And just click and drag inside of this content. So leave it. See? Okay. Suppose if you don't like, so you change this. So select, edit. So what I can do is read more. So take this to read more and create one more page like laptop services and connect it. Okay, so what I will do, so I'll be taking one more here, naming this laptop repair services and press enter key. Now if you wanted to be connected for this page, go to home, whatever button you created, select that. Okay, inside of this area, so call to action button is important, especially for digital marketers. Okay, and you type laptop repair services. So you are connecting that page, and whatever you wanted to give information, so they can be able to see this. Okay, rename this button. Instead of call now, I'll be renaming this to read more. So click again, update. So could you able to see here? So now you check the preview of this area. Go to view mode. Scroll down. So here you have, but it still is not published. So until you publish, it won't get. So again, I'll be publishing now. So published, view published site. Home. So scroll down and Could you say this? Read more. So like this you can create some other buttons also for next block and for the third block also. But now if I click for read more, and is connecting to next another page wherever you mean, where whatever page is linked for the particular button. So now again, if there is a content, again you click one more here and redirect to the home page. That also can be done. So did you understand how I have created this button? So it is insert button itself. Clear? Okay, sir. If you wanted to create one more button in this block, so select, click the button, and again stating that read more, and link the pages. Instead of creating, I'll be connecting for the existing one itself. So now you have to adjust it. So how do you adjust it? So select only the block and click and drag and drop it here. And do copy paste again and drag, drag it. So I'm not using any extra keys and all. Okay, so just you select and you can change the alignment. See this? What happened here? According to the text size changed. See what happened now? Is that interested? So any website, if you check, there will be a lead magnet. Lead magnets. If you're not having this lead magnets and taking them to the customers' requirement pages, then it is a problem for digital marketers. So whenever you create a website, make ensure that. Again, publish it. I'm getting responses from all the people after giving assignments. Only 8 to 10 students are presently active, and they are sending the reply, and also they are working in the assignment. But what happened for other rest of the people? In such cases, I can't able to explain much more when you don't have hands-on practice. Okay, now if I take this to theme effect, see for example, I have a different theme effects, but now one of the, wait for a minute. So look at once, I selected this theme. See the changes of this web page. So it is completely converted into according to this theme style, then color, whatever it has. And again, if I go for this vision, look at this, the second one I selected, and it's completely changed again. and you choose this effect. Go for the third one. See the changes now. Go for the second one. Go for the first one. So as you select the theme, the color and font color and fill color, everything will be changing. So there will be a three option. One is classic, heavy. So I'm going to take the light one and see the changes now. Okay, and if you're looking for heavy, and see this, that comes to bold. Okay, and you have some limited themes, so select it here and you can see the changes and change the colors also. Okay, but if you're not liked any theme, so go for the as you want. So you can create your own theme. Okay, like font, whichever, like whichever color is required, so that can be created here. But if already available, then you can upload it. Okay, upload your themes which are available in the Google platform, or if already down, so search in the Google Drive and upload it. Okay, but this much is enough for you to upload it, means apply it. Then go for you, or else manually take your own time and create your own custom. What is company colors, what they will be using, so on so on. And always you try to create one sales page, like in the contact us, whatever course you have. Okay, it's already it's there in this course list, and you try to put that price, duration. Okay, if the people will like, then you create one lead magnets like CTA button. Okay, the moment if they click, then that has to come into WhatsApp, Telegram, in such a way you connect it. Okay, so one I will show you now. So I'll be taking, go to home, take a button, WhatsApp, then copy that web dot WhatsApp, but API is required. Just I'm showing you that one small example, and click insert. Now WhatsApp is connected for this place. So click and drag. But it's not a container. It's a image carousel, which is moving that slides and all. So you create within this area. Enough. Over. So if they like WhatsApp, Just decrease the size, leave off, see what happens. So default alignment is taking. So instead of that, create separate block. So unknown things is created, just delete this. Mm. So now most of the things is done. So go to publish. And publish it. So now the Google site website is created. So now this is completely completed Google site. So you ask me if you have any doubts. So which I have not taught in the first class, that and all I have completed along with the MCQs. So see that answer and go to review the published site. So scroll down and could you able to see this? Now if I click, that is taking us to website like web.whatsapp.com. It is redirecting. So if connected, then directly it's allow you to open now, but I don't want to open. Okay. Next, you have multiple CTA buttons. So click on here and it's opening now. Completely empty for the laptop services. Again, you come back to home page. So you select photography, hotel, which you like, then you create it. So you ask me if you have any queries, then I take your call, then I will start one more thing. So custom domain is nothing but where you will be purchasing the host name. I think you can recall the topics like in internet, how one will be providing that hosting facility, naming facility and all. So, okay. So there will be a hostinger.in. So just you press enter key, they will give you some list of plans. Okay, if you don't like that hosting, then you can buy only the domain names. Okay, if you wanted to buy only domain name, go to the domain part and you try to search here. What is the name you are looking for? For example, I wanted to see tech mentor. Techmentor.com. Okay, if I click for search, it is verifying and saying that techmentor.com someone has already taken. Okay, so again you search for some other name whichever you like. Okay, so in this case I'm going to take one more called as so digital mm, National Institute Digital Marketing, nidm.com. So now you check. So NIDM someone already has taken, but .io is available, but .io don't want. Okay, now I wanted to see digital mark.com. So that also they have taken. So like this you try to search if the domain is available. For example, uh, I'll be taking my name shantamallesha.com. So now if I try to search, I can get my domain and pay for this amount, and it will be work for the entire year. Okay, so click add to cart and purchase. So .com registration, see this, for the 2 years they are offering for me, so 1500. So go with 1 year plan. Okay, then start, create your own account and select the payment and say make the payment. Okay, so totally you will get, but if you have any coupons you can claim for the discount also if you have any coupons. Okay, so see to that and apply. So once it is purchased, so domain name registration, we can call it as DNS records. So you will be receiving DNS records from hostinger. So when you get DNS records from the hostingers, that you have to map into your Google. So 1 minute I will show you. So could you able to see here? They have given step. So DNS name server. So this is an important. When you click for the DNS name servers, you'll be having the records like this. CNAME records and NS records, so on and so on. Okay. And when you scroll down, this is the details and add records. See this? Records, MX records, triple A records, quad A records, and make ensure that IP address of that. So they will give you. So see to that you have to be entered. So the names once if you entered, and again you come back to your publish settings, and go to this domain. Where is that? Yeah, startup, and enter from where you have purchased the particular name domain. Clear? So you have to link your DNS to host. So in this case, what is happening? Sites.google.com is hosting your website, but there is no DNS. So to have a DNS domain system, then you have to link it here, then it's going to be broadcasting. In that way you have to do it. Clear? So earlier it was made easy. Here only you can would have purchased that domain, but they have removed from this Google now. Okay, so from third party we have to purchase and we have to link it. Okay, and one more, as I said, Google Analytics, analytics.google.com. So use that and enter that tracking ID, whatever tracking ID you have. But you must have a DNS domain, then only you can link this your website. So complete your information, click that start measuring, and enter. Just it is an example. Do copy. This is our domain, means account details measurement, more than one ID. Oh, oh. So okay, Kostoba. Take this, click next, enter the details here. So property creations, select India, currency, Indian rupees, click next, set up your business category like mm, computer electronics, it's a small one. Then business, generate the leads, then drive online sales. And okay, so raise the brand awareness. So select which one is applicable, then finally you create it. So scroll down and set I accept the license agreement, and choose your platform and enter the website. Okay, so proper URL is required, but it is a default URL from the area. So this is not going to work now. So this much I can take you. Okay, but you have to set up your stream. Then from here onwards, the data which will start capturing. And after that, you will be getting one ID. That ID needs to be entered. So as of now, skip now. So continue with the home. This is not at all required. So it's saying that cannot find any data stream. So please set up that details and all, and you have to link this for collecting the information collecting the information from the account. So this is your account ID. Okay. So this is what you have now. So the ID is saying that 4511 something and all, that you paste it, but domain name is required for this. So whatever ID is you are getting, that has to be entered in this main portions. So go to your analytics and enter the ID which I have shown you now and make enable this. Okay, then automatically track your website. So this much is Google site. Is it clear? So have a 5 minutes of break, then we'll see one more way. So now welcome back again. If you wanted to create one more platform to create a website, is called as WordPress. So that is also a good for creating website. But the question is, what is the major differences between WordPress and Google site? So one web things I will show you, like how you can create. So there is a tool called as Infinity Free. So go to this, create a login one and register yourself. Then enter password. Then click sign in. So captcha is running here. Then click sign in. So credentials are matching. So something is saying captcha is not responding. Again you retype. So wait until captcha is going to respond. Then you click sign in. So now this is created. So I hope all of you have seen. So how it, then after that there's an account. So you can see the account ID. So click on this. This is your control panel. a simple website creation, then Google site is useful. So WordPress, blogging, then website and e-commerce. If you plan for e-commerce website, then the purpose of these two. So I'll be writing WordPress. This will be Google site. So this is the main purpose. And when we talk about customization, so in that customization, so themes and plugins which are highly available, themes, so plugins which are highly available. But have you seen that any customization and themes which are available in the Google site? It is a limited customization option. So, and one more, we have a templates. So website templates. So there will be a, so 1000 plus templates are available for WordPress. Okay, and here we have a limited set of templates. Then if I wanted to talk about plugins, so plugins like 50,000 plus plugins in industries are available. But here there is no plugins and the extension. No plugins, no extensions. And when we talk about hosting, so in that case of hosting, it is going to be a self-host, self-hosted. So like WordPress.org, okay, and WordPress.com. So just it is an example, WordPress.org, then WordPress.com. But here there is no such type of facility hosted by Google. Google only hosting this. So this is a major differences, and cost wise, there's going to be a varies free to premium. But here it's a free with Google account. What you have seen now. Is it clear? Then which one is going to support for e-commerce supports? So your full e-commerce supports in your WordPress, but there is no built-in e-commerce supports in the Google site. So security wise, so Google is going to secure the Google site website, but in the depends upon the hosting and plugins what you are going to be selected for the WordPress website, which going to working. Is it clear? This is the major differences of Google site and WordPress. So I selected this. So I'll go for home. So create an account. So now you start, go to create an account. So create now, see this. So start with the premium. So it's saying that 5 GB disk space, then 250 GB bandwidth, one hosted domain, and one email account. And other than that, they'll give control panel, limited hits, PHP version, full DNS management, remote MySQL support, Python. But for free, you'll be not having these many control option. Okay, but you will be having unlimited bandwidth and unlimited hosted domain and 5 GB disk space for hosting. Okay, but other features are not integrated. And for the super premium, and again you have same thing, but which will be vary, like 20 hosted domain and 100 emails. But for the ultimate you have unlimited. So now I'll be selecting the create now. Now asking for the domain. So here are the domain extension. You cannot able to create .com. These are the subdomains. Okay, so you choose whichever you like. Okay, for example, I'll go for rfgd, so something like this, or else free.nf. So take the name called as tech mentor, then check that availability, tech mentor dot free dot nf. So saying that it's available now, so you can select I approve this. This is your account password, so that you have to note it down somewhere. Automatically generated. So click create. So saying that something is missing. So Cloudflare is going to verifying the password. Where it is. And this is your domain name. Planning for this account label. Rare. So after approving this Cloudflare captcha, then I can click for create an account. So most of the things is done, but it's not verifying now. Okay, even if not done also no problem. Tomorrow by next class I will show you how it can be done. So I will give you the induction part of WordPress. So now the same website, if I wanted to create in WordPress, then see the changes, how it's going to be happen. Is that clear? And you ask me if you have any doubts regarding for the differences between WordPress and Google site, which I explained you. Is there any doubts? So I hope that all of you understood. So you practice again and again. So you share me that after completion of your website, so like whichever I have taught you about that main content and call to action button, and adding some much more information towards a website. Okay, so analytics, some other parameters. Okay, work on that, and we'll try to see WordPress in the next class. Okay guys, so see you all.